How to allow unknown calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, go to the search bar at the top and type in Phone. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the phone settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down and go to Silence Unknown Callers. Over here, turn off this option. When it is turned off, calls from unknown numbers will no longer be silenced. Following these steps, you can easily allow unknown calls on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.